If you've been struggling with low testosterone, low energy, or difficulty losing weight, there's a good chance that it could be because your cortisol levels are too high. Cortisol is the stress hormone produced by the body, so when you have high levels of this hormone, it can negatively affect your overall health and well-being. But luckily for you, there is a science-backed supplement that can help reduce cortisol levels, so that you can feel better both physically and mentally. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If left unchecked, these high cortisol levels can take a toll on both physical and mental health. Unlike some other supplements, L-theanine is generally well tolerated with few side effects. At realistic doses, it is considered safe for most people to take. However, as with any supplement, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting L-theanine supplementation, especially if you are taking any medications or have any underlying health conditions. As always, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. If you didn't do it, and if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Remember, knowledge is the key to your health and your life, so keep learning. Please like and share this video if you think it will help someone else. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're looking for additional support or have questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me through the provided contact information. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys soon. Overall, L-theanine is a promising supplement for those looking to reduce cortisol levels and alleviate the associated symptoms. With its positive effects on the body and mind, it is easy to see why L-theanine has become so popular in recent years. Fortunately, there is a science-backed supplement that has been shown to effectively reduce cortisol levels and alleviate the associated symptoms. Theanine is available in supplement form and can be taken orally in capsule or powder form. The recommended dosage typically ranges from 100 to 300 milligrams per day, depending on the individual and their specific needs. However, it is important to follow the instructions on the product label or consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage. It is also worth noting that L-theanine is generally safe for most people to consume, but some individuals may experience mild side effects such as headaches, nausea, or dizziness at higher doses. This supplement is called L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid found in both plants and animals, including green tea and some types of mushrooms. Getting regular exercise, practicing deep breathing exercises, or engaging in yoga or meditation can all help reduce stress and lower cortisol levels. Getting enough sleep is also important, as lack of sleep can elevate cortisol levels. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to help keep your cortisol levels in check. Additionally, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide the nutrients your body needs to manage stress effectively. Reducing caffeine intake can also be beneficial, as caffeine can stimulate cortisol production. Try to limit your caffeine consumption to 200 to 300 milligrams per day, which is equivalent to 1 or 2 cups of coffee. By incorporating these lifestyle changes in addition to L-theanine supplementation, you can take proactive steps towards reducing your cortisol levels and improving your overall health and well-being. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote relaxation and reduce stress. In recent years, it has gained popularity as a supplement for its potential health benefits. One of the key benefits of L-theanine is its ability to reduce cortisol levels. Several studies have investigated the effects of L-theanine on cortisol levels in humans, with some showing positive results. For example, one study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that L-theanine supplementation led to a significant decrease in cortisol levels in participants who experienced high psychological stress. Another study published in the same journal showed that L-theanine was effective in reducing cortisol levels in healthy adults when taken before a stressful event. Additionally, L-theanine has been found to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality, both of which can contribute to lower cortisol levels. Back again with another educational video to help you with your health and fitness journey? Then listen up, because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this supplement and how it can help you reduce your cortisol levels so that you can finally start seeing results with your health and fitness goals. You see, cortisol is the body's primary stress hormone, which is released in response to perceived threats or stressors. When cortisol levels are elevated for an extended period of time, it can cause a variety of physical and mental health problems. For example, high cortisol levels have been linked to increased anxiety and depression, as well as impaired cognitive function and memory loss. It can also lead to weight gain, especially around the midsection, as well as insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, high cortisol levels can weaken the immune system, making the body more susceptible to illness and infections. And let's not forget about the negative effects it can have on sleep, giving you insomnia and making it hard to fall asleep. Now, many people are affected by high cortisol levels and may not even realize it. They're tired all the time. They gain weight and they don't know why. They're gaining weight. They have belly fat that won't go away. They also have issues sleeping. It just seems like no matter what they try, they just can't get their life together. Now, if this sounds like you. Now, there are a number of different factors that can contribute to elevated cortisol levels, including chronic stress and anxiety, lack of sleep, a poor diet, and certain medications. Another great benefit of this supplement is its safety profile. Now that you know about this supplement, let's talk about how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. In addition to taking L-theanine supplements, there are also other things you can do to reduce your cortisol levels and manage stress. Thanks for tuning into this video today, guys. I hope you learned something useful. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this content so far, and I hope you subscribed already.